Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off keyboard sound on an Android phone. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone. Open the Settings application and find the Home Settings menu. Step 2. Now scroll down and locate the System option. It's typically towards the bottom of the list. Tap on System to open the next set of options. This section controls a variety of settings on your device, including language preferences, keyboard settings, and more. Step 3. Next, locate the keyboard options. Tap on it and then tap the on-screen keyboard option. Step 4. Now locate the Gboard option and tap on it. Step 5. Next, find the Preferences option and tap on it. Scroll down to locate the Sound on Keypress option. Unfortunately, this option is turned on by default. Step 6. For the last and most important step, tap on Sound on Keypress to turn off the keyboard sound instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.